Hey everybody, Mike Chipperini here from Chipper's Island Adventures, and today I'm going to do a little work on my Lectric eBike XP 2.0. One of the big things that I've seen online, especially on Facebook, is a lot of people are having difficulty mounting their electric e-bike lock. And it can be a little bit of a challenge, but it's not terribly hard. So I'm going to try to give you a simpler way to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the screws that are on the bike itself. Now, one of the problems is that a lot of people are having is actually getting their fingers in or trying to get the screw to mount into the hole. Well, I came up with a pretty decent way. What I tend to do is I take the screw and I put it into the mount. And one way you can do that is you put it on the Allen wrench or hex wrench, whatever you like to call it, and put it right in. So now you're holding your screw in with the hex wrench. Now, I don't know if you need an extra washer on the back. I'm going to put one there just for kicks. And then what you want to do is go ahead, line it up, and give it a couple turns. So now the mount itself is locked in. But what you have to do is you have to do the second one. So by mounting the top screw in first, I can still swivel the bottom end out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the screw on the hex wrench, put the washer on, and feed it through. And now I have it locked in, and I put the washer, as you can see, the washer is on the other side. And now I'm going to line it up with the mount and go ahead and tighten the Allen wrench. Then I'll go up top. Continue tightening that part down. Then I'm going to snug it really well on both screws. And then, if you notice, it's mounted. And then you simply take your bike lock, put it inside, and lock it down. So that's all it takes. So it's just a real quick little tutorial on how to mount this bike lock and its holder in an easy way. And all it takes is taking the screw, putting it on the Allen wrench first, and putting it through and carefully mounting it that way. Just remember, you're probably better off doing the top one first, so you can swivel out the bottom, put that one in. Do not tighten it down until you have that other screw locked into the bike frame. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. And all the best to all, and happy RVing, and especially happy e-biking.